It's your girl Brianna Queen. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. How you been? So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing some ways you can have your house smelling fresh, delicious, no stuff we can't pronounce. So let's go ahead and let's get into it. So the first way I like to have my home smelling fresh and clean while also cleaning is with dryer sheets. Dryer sheets work wonderfully for dusting off furniture. I like to use these dryer sheets from Sprouts. They are biodegradable and they include natural ingredients like essential oils and recyclable paper. I really try to use like biodegradable, earth-friendly products when I'm cleaning. So these are great for dusting off your furniture. And these dryer sheets do such a great job at picking up any kind of dust. Like, look at that, y'all. Dust magnet. It does such a good job, and it just really has like your furniture smelling amazing. Like, seriously. So one way I like to refresh my home is with a DIY fabric refresher that I make with household ingredients.
I take a plastic bottle, and then I add distilled vodka. Make sure it's very high proof and it's not scented. I also use water as well as essential oils. And my favorite combo is mandarin, lemon, and lavender combined. And I also have the ingredients as well as the measurements on the blog post, which you can find at briannaqueen.com or below in the comment section. And I literally mix this concoction together and then I spray it, and you guys, it smells so good and it doesn't have any of those harsh chemicals and it saves you money.
Now, if you watch my videos, you guys know I love essential oils. Lavender being my favorite essential oil ever. I have to have it on while I sleep. But I also like to use essential oils on other things in my home. One of my favorite essential oil hacks is taking the essential oil, putting it on a cotton ball, and then rubbing that cotton ball on a light bulb. When you do that, when you turn that light bulb on and it gets hot, it's actually going to allow that essential oil to disperse all over the room to make your room smell amazing with that hot light bulb, because that essential oil is on it. So that's one great hack that you can do. You can also do the same thing with air filters, just taking that cotton ball with some essential oil on it and just rubbing the air filter with that. And then when the AC is on, when it heats on, you're going to smell that like essential oil through that air filter. Y'all thought I was done. I'm not. Another way I like to have my home smelling delicious, but in a natural, inexpensive way, is I love Stovetop potpourri. One of my favorites is a super easy one. It's just apples and cinnamon simmering on a pot on the stove, and it will have your entire home smelling like fall. So first, I just like taking an apple and then slicing it into pretty thin slices, not super thick. And then I like taking those apples and putting them in the bottom of a pot or saucepan, whatever you have. And then I like to also add some cinnamon. You can add things like lemon peels. You can pretty much add anything to this. Like, it's just whatever you want the house to smell like, just add it to there. So then I'm going to go ahead and cover that with water, completely submerge it, and then turn it on low or medium. And then let it cook, and it will have your home smelling like fresh apple pie. I promise you.
346 minutes later.
So here are 4 ways you can have your home smelling fresh and clean naturally. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up as well as comment down below for any ways or tips you make your home smell fresh naturally. I love to read them. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys in my very next video. Stay healthy, stay happy, stay beautiful, and stay blessed. Bye guys.